Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to order on the McDonald's app. First thing first, launch the McDonald's app and log in. If you don't have an account already, then tap Order from the bottom menu bar on the McDonald's app dashboard. Now switch from Pickup to McDelivery. Then enter your valid delivery address. Make sure you make no mistakes. Select all the food items you want to order and add them to your bag. And when ready, you will be redirected to the Uber Eats app to complete checkout and payment. If you don't have the Uber Eats app, you will be prompted to download and register during checkout. The process lets you conveniently order McDonald's delivery through Uber Eats using McDonald's app. And that's it. Now you made your order from McDonald's app from your home. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.